Instacart assigns batches based on shopper proximity to stores, current demand, and how quickly you complete previous orders, so your location and speed directly affect how often new batches appear. By the end, you'll understand why some shoppers see constant batches while others wait, what actually improves batch frequency, and what habits reduce your chances of getting consistent work. Start with how batches are distributed. Instacart sends batches to shoppers based on availability in your area. That means demand changes by store, time of day, and customer order volume. If demand is low, fewer batches appear no matter how long you stay online. Now look at location. Shoppers closer to busy grocery stores usually see batches first. Instacart prioritizes proximity when matching orders. Being parked near high-volume stores increases how quickly new offers show up. Now look at speed. Faster shopping and checkout times help you return to the active pool sooner. That increases your chance of receiving another batch in the same time window. Slow order completion reduces how many opportunities you can take per hour. Now look at acceptance behavior. Consistently skipping or ignoring batches can reduce how often new ones appear. The system tends to favor shoppers who are actively completing available orders. That can affect how steady your flow of offers feels during peak times. Now look at peak hours. Grocery demand is not evenly spread throughout the day. Certain time windows create more customer orders, which leads to more batch drops. Working during those periods increases your chances of staying consistently busy. Now look at store selection. Some stores generate more orders than others depending on customer density. Focusing on higher demand locations increases your likelihood of seeing frequent batches. Low-volume stores naturally produce fewer opportunities. Now here's what most people miss. Most shoppers wait in one spot expecting batches to appear consistently. Instacart does not distribute orders evenly across all drivers at all times. Batch flow depends heavily on positioning and timing, not just being online. Now, the simple breakdown. More Instacart batches come from being near busy stores, working peak demand hours, and completing orders quickly. Each factor increases how often you re-enter the system for new assignments. Missing one of them usually reduces your overall batch flow. Now the takeaway. Batch frequency is not random, but it is highly location and timing dependent. Shoppers who stay close to demand centers and work active hours see more consistent offers. Speed and availability together determine how often new batches appear. Next step. Track where you receive your fastest batch offers during a shift. Then prioritize those store locations and time windows for future work. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of gig apps, delivery systems, and real earning strategies without confusion or hype.